Tesla has announced a 5-for-1 stock split after the market closed on August 11th, 2020, sending a stock jumping as much as 8% after trading hours. Welcome, Tesla Savvy here. Do consider subbing and liking for more Tesla content and updates in the world of Tesla. In Tesla's investor website, they published a 5-for-1 stock split, and I quote, Tesla Inc. announced today that the board of directors has approved and declared a 5-for-1 split of Tesla's common stock in the form of a stock dividend to make stock ownership more accessible to employees and investors. Each stockholder of record on August 21st, 2020 will receive a dividend of 4 additional shares of common stock for each then held share, to be distributed after close of trading on August 28, 2020. Trading will begin on a stock split adjusted basis on August 31st, 2020. Let's take a step back and discuss a stock split. A quick Google search and we can see that a stock split causes a decrease of market price of individual shares, not causing a change of total market capitalization of the company. Once again, guys, not causing a change of total market capitalization of the company. This matters. In short, ladies and gentlemen, it means that each Tesla shareholder will see their numbers of shares held increase by a factor of 5, but the value of the share will be adjusted accordingly. This aims to reduce the price per share and, as Tesla puts it, make stock ownership more accessible to employees and investors. So, for example, if you own 10 shares of Tesla, by the end of this month, you will own 50 shares. Now, this does not mean you will be more wealthy. The company itself isn't doing something different, but this gives the young 18, 19-year-olds a chance to invest in a growing company. Nowadays, it's hard for someone to invest $1,400, so this stock split divides it by 5 so that anyone can invest, dropping it down to $250 instead of $1,400. Once again, this is just an example. Here are the pros and cons of a stock split. As we know, the main pro of this is being able to buy stock at an affordable price. This is known as a fractional shares. More on this in a bit. But once again, the young entrepreneurs can invest at a lower price. And also, more shares are available so you can have a wider ownership base. Now, let's talk about the cons. Fractional sharing is a portion of an equity stock that is less than one full stock. Also, fractional shares often result in not being able to vote. This here is a key problem for me personally. So, in my opinion on this matter, nothing has changed. Maybe the strategy on how people are going to manage their shares might, but that's about it. And with this, I bring up my next point. Option contracts for shares. Definition: option contracts are agreements between two parties, the buyer and the seller, regarding a potential future transaction on an underlying security. It will give the purchaser the option to buy or sell an asset at a later date for a specific price. If you're confused, that's okay. Do your own research and learn about them. For me, personally, I wouldn't bother. But in short, you have the option to multiply your money in the future by gambling if the stock in the future is going to go up or down. By paying a premium price, your wealth can multiply exponentially, or you can lose it all. It's all worth it for some who have the wiggle room, but for others, it's a huge risk. Now, to conclude this video, these are some key takeaways. So if you guys weren't paying attention at all, focus on this. In a stock split, a company divides its existing stock into multiple shares to boost liquidity. Companies may also do stock splits to make shares price more attractive. And third, the total dollar value of the shares remains the same because the split doesn't add real value. Once again, the total dollar value of the shares remains the same because the split doesn't add real value. And one more thing, guys. In a reverse stock split, a company divides the number of shares that stockholders own, raising the market price accordingly. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is Tesla Savvy. Thank you for joining me here today, and I want to build a community where we can all grow and learn, not just Tesla related, but one day in a personal level. Thank you all for watching today, and I'll see you all on the next one. Peace.